Hey guys, Tristan at Carolina Auto Direct. Just want to show you a quick look at some of our new inventory. It's a 1958 Chevy Impala. Great looking exterior color. You couldn't find a single rock chip on this car. The paint job is immaculate. Let me show you the inside. This car looks brand new. It even smells like a brand new car in here. You can see the detail, the chrome and everything. This car is fantastic. And if you look at the interior, the colors in here are just really unique. You have a nice black finish, black carpeting, but some blue accents here and on the door panel as well. Really adds a nice finish to this vehicle. You guys, we're underneath the hood now. You can see just as nice as the inside, kept just as clean. It looks just as immaculate on the inside of the hood here as it does inside the car. It doesn't get much better than this. Side of this car, again, still immaculate. All the chrome brand new on the side. You can see all this nice shiny chrome. Really sticks out, really gives this car a nice pop. All of it added on. You can see all the way down the side of the car here. And guys, as you can see, the detail carried all the way back here, starting with the roof all the way down. You got both your antennas, continuing the chrome, and these taillights. Look at those. I mean, awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining me today. This is just a quick look at some of the cool inventory we have here at Carolina Auto Direct. You can see more details about this car at www.carolinaautodirect.com. Thanks again.